Hey, welcome to a quick Godot tip. I want to add some scattered rocks to the little world I made in my last video. We can do that with a node called MultiMeshInstance. Just add a child node. There it is. Add it to the scene. You can see in the inspector there's a bunch of different options for controlling how the mesh will be displayed. I won't use these for now, since we're going to use a little built-in function called populateSurface. We need a mesh and a surface to add it to. I'll add it as a child to the MultiMeshInstance, just so I can find it again. Just need to click on the MultiMeshInstance node, not the mesh node because that's the wrong button, and click populateSurface. You can set the target surface, which is actually the parent, so it just appears as two dots, it's not a bug, and then choose a mesh. I'm going to set the rotation and scale parameters here to give it a bit more of a natural look. I won't modify the tilt for now because my terrain is flat. Cool, looks pretty good. Just hide that. As you can see, it does it pretty naturally. And the meshes cast a little shadow on your terrain as well, which is pretty good. It's nice how easy this is to do in Godot. Anyway, thanks for watching.